Alright, I'm waiting for the artificial intelligence to get out of the way. I just had a little fly flying around. Where'd that thing come from? Not a house fly, just one of those. I don't know what. Oh, you know, when I buy bananas, I think sometimes they hitch a ride on the banana. Anyway, while we're waiting, because I shut my fans off. I'm trying to get this thing quiet, my house quiet. I plugged the humidifier back in, and right now I'm at 30%. I haven't touched the controls yet because I'm waiting for I want her to do her job. So hold on one second. All right, this is, I guess you could fill the water in. There's a funnel that you can put in here that I have. Comes with it, so you don't have to take the top off. So that's convenient, because I tell you, filling this thing up with 3.5 gallons of water, it's a little bit of a chore. So that'll be good. I haven't turned it on yet. There's the controls. Let me get the owner's manual and see what we can do. And I'm trying to do this so you can kind of read along with me. I plugged it in, number 8. Then number 9 is set your desired fan level by pressing the fan speed button. Your pedestal has 9 fan speeds that are displayed, F1 for the lowest through F9 for the highest. So let's find that. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to assume, that's the assume word, right? That's the power button. Okay. And there's the fan. Let's, wait a minute. It's not changing. Can't hear what it's doing. Okay, hold on one second. That might be a code. All right, wait a sec. Hold on. All right, I got the vacuum right next to me here. All right, get away from me. Get out of here. I'm working here. All right, so right off the bat, that F is not the fan speed. I think the F is a code that says, the F code means that your unit is empty and needs to be filled with water. Well, it's full. I'm wondering if the whatchamacallit is stuck. The, what was that thing? The plunger? No. The float. Yeah, I wonder if the float thing was stuck. All right, let's figure this out. Hold on. Okay, it's still showing the F code, meaning that the machine thinks it's empty, but it's not. And the float is over here, and I can't get to it, so I'm gonna have to pull this. I'm gonna have to unplug it, pull the top off, make sure the float is moving freely. I think that's the humidity setting. I'm going to set mine at 50 when I get there. Alright. It's gone down a little since, so I'm at 29%. And the fan will not kick in because this machine thinks it's empty. Alright, so let me, right off the bat, we're off to a good start, right? Yeah, hold on. Okay, so I pulled the cover off. And the float is working. Maybe maybe the wick is not, well, it's moist. I wonder if it wants me to fill up with more water, right? Because I'm right about here, and here's the line, see? I'm not too far away. You can see how the edge looks. I mean, that can't be it. All right? Let's look it down here. I mean, there seems to be only one way this thing wants to go in, and this is it. Unless it's turned around. I can't imagine that's it. Hold on. I know. It's crazy. No, see, that's not it. That's not the way. Because this thing's going to line up with the back. With this. So that's not it. Yeah. I'm trying not to get all this, any water off on my my laminate. Oh, now see what happens? Sneak it up behind me. Yeah, move on, move along. Move along. All right, hold on. Having complications, hold on. Okay, success. Whatever I did. It's got, John asked me about the noise level. Can you hear it? So, let's see. Oh, that's all the way high. That's on F9. You hear that? Let's, we want to go 50%. All right. So whatever it was, I mean, maybe it wasn't cinched down or something. I don't know. But it's working now. Just, I'm going to, maybe I'll make a final. This will be a part 2. I'll make a final. Hold on one sec. I'm at 31%. And then that's saying 30, what's that saying, 35? Oh. Look at you. All right, anyway. Yeah, I'll make a final one this evening sometime to tell you what. Yeah, because we're at 31%. I'm not worried about the time. This thing's not synced. I'm just worried about the percentage. So 31% relative humidity. And I can't see. Oh, I can feel it. Yeah, it comes out. Okay, so it comes out here. It comes out here. And not a little bit out of the top, right? But it's more on the side. It's more on the side. Yeah, on the side. So, all right. That's part 2. I'll give it a few hours. Maybe this evening. You know, I'll check back in with you and make a quick snippet. So, you have it. There you have it. It's the AIRCARE evaporative humidifier pedestal. Now I think the color that I bought is the nutmeg. I think it only comes in 2 different colors. I went with the more of a traditional wood color. So, all right, I'll leave you with that. Stay tuned. More to come.